Good morning, students. Myself Dharmendra Kumar Chaube. Today we are going to be discuss about the class 9 biology first chapter, the fundamental unit of life. It is a second lecture of this chapter. In previous lecture we are going to be discuss about the cell and its types, as well as we are going to be discuss the unicellular and multicellular organism. In in today's class we are going to be discuss about the cell theory and prokaryotic, eukaryotic organism and level of division. So cell theory was proposed by the two biologists, the Sladen and Schwann, in 1838 and 1839. So all the plants and animals are composed of the cells and its products. It means like that cell organelles is present, protoplasm is also present. So plants and animals have the more than one cell, so it is called the multicellular organism. So cell is that basic unit of life because cell is going to be perform all the basic functions, and it is also provide the shape to the organism, and so we can say it is a building block of body. So all the organisms start their life from single cell, like that human beings is also going to be start their life from the single cell, name is zygote. And that cell theory was further expanded by the Rodolphe Virchow by the suggesting that all the cells arise from the pre-existing cells. So discovery of after that the discovery of electron microscope, it is the easy to understand the complex structure of the cell and its various organelles. So every multicellular organism have the come from single cells, and cell is divided to produce the cells of their one kind. So all the cells come from the pre-existing cell by the process of cell division. So and the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, all the organisms present on the earth can be classified into the two types. So first is non-cellular organisms. Those organisms do not have the any cellular structure, so those do not contain the any body organization, like that viruses that the lack of the any membrane, hence do not show the characteristics of life until they enter in the living organism. It may be the prokaryotes or maybe the eukaryotes, and viruses use it's the machinery of reproduction. So viruses is going to be attack on those organisms, so that going to be use the machinery of that organism, it is called the host. And so viruses have the RNA or a DNA as a genetic material. So cellular organisms are those organisms contain either one or many cells in their bodies. Example, bacteria, plants and animals are the cellular organisms. So in first